So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Atul. You guys are watching Xenon Photography. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to edit this photo, and let's get start the video. So first of all, I made the exposure layer and camera raw, adjusting it. You can see the values here. Contrast decreased and highlights are 0, -100. Adjusting vibrance, and now we jumped on curve. You just have to make it perfect so we can edit its color. Then I done some work on frequency separation layer. I made another tutorial on this frequency separation. You can see the dark areas. You just have to make it even so overall skin look quite uniform. Bright areas, making dark areas little bit bright and more brighter areas little bit dark. You can see here difference. And then I change her skin color to more vibrant color, red. I painted on the skin so I can make it separate from the background. And then I added color on the water and sky. You can see I can change it by using solid layer and painting just water. And dress is also colored by using solid layer. You can also change the color of dress, making it red, dark red. You can see the masking, and here is the water masking and sky masking. So now I grouped it and named it color. Here is its masking. You can see all of the color masking and solid layers. You see the difference here. After that I made a 50% gray layer and added some kind of highlights in her eyes and making it blue. Making it soft light and giving it a sky blue color. A little bit dark and adding some kind of borders, black borders in her eye retina, so it will look real. And after that I grouped all the layers and make a separate new. I increased the texture and clarity for the eyes and masked it and just painting in the eyes. Also again I made a 50% gray layer for the highlights of the face and body. Masking on her cheeks, making it a little bit more 3D look. You just have to paint on just on highlights. And also on the dark areas I'm just painting on highlights, and after that I'm gonna be paint on dark areas like on eyebrows and under the cheek. On her highlighting, you just have to highlight areas where the lights already have. Dark areas, making dark areas dark. I will make another tutorial on this technique. And then I made a group for dodge and burn. Again you just have to make it again, like you just have to paint on dark areas for the burn and brighter areas for dodge. You can see the curves here. There are many tutorials on the YouTube, you can watch it. Painting on our lips. Just paint all over. Making nose pop, so it can give a more 3D look to our nose. And painting our hair, dark areas making more dark and bright areas making more bright. You can see the difference here. Again it's depend on personal taste, how much bright you want it, and creating a vibrance layer to make background more vibrant and her dress more vibrant, and removing color from the skin and just giving a touch up for the skin. Again I added curves for creating vignette for the sides. You can see the difference. It is because making subject more pop from the background, so it can look like that subject is different from the background. And I added levels as well for making her skin more bright and her dress. So I added a new layer of solid layer for dark red color for the blush, and I painted on her cheeks and nose and on chin. Just have to make it little bit, and I grouped all the layers. And for the sharpness I added high pass and reducing its value because it's too much for me, and where it's too much I masked it and removed it from her face because it's looking weird from my perspective. So that's all for the video. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. If you want to practice on this photo, link will be in the description. Please download from there and to follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.